Where did the largest banking collapses take place? Breaking news in the financial world. Many people are curious about the largest banking collapses in history. If you are wondering where these significant events occurred, you are not alone. Recent discussions have sparked interest in how financial crises unfold and their impact on economies. Let's take a closer look at some of the most notable banking collapses and the regions affected. In the United States, the financial crisis of 2008 marked a turning point. The collapse of Lehman Brothers is often cited as the largest bankruptcy in United States history. This event triggered widespread panic and led to a severe global financial crisis. Other major banks in the United States also faced distress, requiring government bailouts to stabilize the economy. Across the Atlantic, Europe faced its own challenges during the Eurozone debt crisis beginning around 2010. Several banks in countries like Greece, Spain, and Ireland suffered massive losses due to exposure to government debt and real estate bubbles. This crisis prompted government interventions and restructurings across multiple nations. Turning to Asia, Japan experienced a prolonged banking crisis in the 1990s known as the Lost Decade. After the asset price bubble burst, many banks became insolvent due to bad loans. This banking collapse contributed to a decade of economic stagnation for Japan. In 2008, Iceland's banking system faced a dramatic collapse when its three largest banks defaulted. This event was severe relative to the size of the country's economy and led to significant financial turmoil and government intervention. South America also saw a major banking crisis in Argentina during 2001. The collapse of the banking system occurred amid a sovereign debt default and economic hardship. Bank runs and capital flight resulted in widespread banking failures. These examples illustrate that banking collapses often occur during times of economic stress, excessive risk-taking, or when asset bubbles burst. The United States and Europe have experienced some of the most impactful collapses in recent history. Meanwhile, smaller nations like Iceland have faced collapses that were massive when compared to their economies. As discussions about banking stability continue, understanding these historical events can help inform current financial trends and decisions.